Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the taskbar automatically hide and show on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make the taskbar auto hide in Windows 11, first head to the main settings page. You can get there a number of ways, but we'll be searching for it in the search bar. In the settings, click on personalization from the left and then click on taskbar. In the taskbar settings, look for the option called Taskbar Behaviors and click on it to expand this section. Now look for where it says automatically hide the taskbar, and all you need to do is check the box to the left of it to turn this on, and then you can see how it looks. And so that is how to make the taskbar automatically hide and show on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.